Well, it's not the nicest day weather-wise, but we were desperate to get out of the house, so we've come to McKinney Falls State Park. As you can see, there's some really interesting landscapes here and hikes, waterfalls, rock shelters, all sorts of cool things. So come and see while we check it out.
And also, time to go adventure all of it. Look at this.
Cracks there. Hi, what are you doing?
Trying to figure out a code.
A code? What kind of code?
A code to a secret lair.
Oh, where's the secret lair? In the wall somewhere?
I can easily see someone living here. I can tell it's going to open up a door somewhere around here.
Really?
Okay. Oh, 3. No. Oh, that was not the code, I guess.
Hiking tips for the hopelessly out of shape. McKinney Falls is good because the Waterfalls is a very short, mostly flat hike. It's pretty easy to get to. You just drive to the very end of the road. You don't have to take the long hike there. You just drive to the end of the road. From that same spot, you can get to the rock shelter, which is super cool. It was a little intimidating. At the end of the parking lot, you take the tiny little trail that is really steep and rooty and stuff. It doesn't look like it's going to go anywhere, but it does lead to the rock shelter. It's not that far and it's doable. But on the other side of the rock shelter is a set of stairs, and that leads to a flatter route. So if you can go up about a flight of stairs, it's an easier hike that way. You just have to walk along the picnic trail for a little while. It was definitely worth it, not too hard. If I can do it, you can do it. Fiona, what do you think of McKinney Falls State Park?
I really like this place.
What was your favorite part?
My favorite part was the rock overhang.
Yeah?
Because it looked like someone might be able to live there, and it was cool.
Yeah. Nice. Would you suggest that other people come here?
Yes.